Friends, welcome to Gale.in. So today I thought I'll teach you some basic technical analysis like drawing trend lines and then making you understand what is a swing trade and where you should enter, where you should exit, and how to identify the swings. So this is TradingView website. And this chart is from TradingView website. You can find the link from the website or the description below. So this is Bajaj Finance stock. So I've traded Bajaj Finance today and made profits. So I'll be teaching you on how I made profits in Bajaj Finance today. This is Bajaj Finance 15-minute chart, candlesticks. So I've added few indicators to the chart. Exponential moving average 20. So that is the blue line. Uh, there is a ATR 9 just to identify if there is any momentum in the stock and how much, what is the possible uh, range for the stock to move on the upside. You can have a stop loss based on ATR, you can have targets based on ATR. I'll explain to you about ATR in a different video. So I have another indicator, swing high low. So it is being made by someone. So you just need to click indicators over here and just search for swing. Get swing high low support and resistance by pattern smart. Just click on it, you just get inbuilt, it is automatically marked over here, all the swings. So you just need to go to the settings and just plot lines connecting swing high lows 1 and display always. So just put, so it will show this lines connecting these lines connecting the swings. It will be easier for you to find out if there is a breakout or a change in trend, a little more easier. So there are few tricks and tips trading the swings. So I'll be telling you, as I always say, you need to you can consistently make profit using 3 steps. First one is identify the trend. So EMI 20 have added to identify the trend. You can see the stock is in a downtrend and the EMI 20 is moving down. So this is tip number 1. You just need to know the direction of the trend using EMI 20. And second one is you have to enter in area of value, identify area of value. So I'll just zoom out. You can just see I've connected a trend line to this three lows, like 3 swing lows. So these 2 swing lows have already been made, and this swing lows happened yesterday. So there's kind of triple bottom, which is kind of strong support. So this is the reason I've chosen this stock to trade if the market is in positive sign. Like this stock has more chances to move on the upside if the market goes up. So trend line is just you click trend line and just connect the lows of this. You just get a trend line and you just see, you can see this 3 green dots in a straight line. So I've again uh, drawn trend line connecting these 3 green dots and extended it for today. And same thing I've done with this red dots. So what you need to do is, like, when the stock is in downtrend, so the other tip is like this red dots, which is swing lows. Swing lows do not have any significance while entering the stock in a downtrend. Where you have to enter is the stock swings low, consolidates. During this consolidation, you have to wait for the consolidation to happen, and you should wait for the swing high to happen. And once there is a candlestick reversal happening on this swing high, you have to just exit, sell the stock. So you sell it over here. You need not wait for this stop to go below this red dot, because I've already told this doesn't have any significance in entering the stop. It has only significance in exiting the stop. So you enter closer to this green dot, that is exit the stop, sell the stop, and buy it closer to red. First profit. Second profit is if you book this through another area of value. Like if you just connect these two red dots, so here you can book profits in this trade. So these trend lines will be used as support and resistances to enter and exit the stock. So swing low, consolidates, candlestick reversal, swing low, consolidates, candlestick reversal, swing low, consolidate, candlestick reversal, swing low. So it keeps happening this way. So the stop loss should be few points above the swing highs. Enter on candlestick reversals of this position. Exit 50% when this swing low has hit. Remaining 50%, if there is any trend line available, you can book there, or you can book based on RSI. When RSI is oversold, you can book more profits, because always you going to get a consolidated swing where you can freshly enter the stock at a fresh stop loss, fresh entry, fresh targets. So never forget to book profits. So uh, the beauty of the swing traders, you have a stop loss few points above the swing high. Once it consolidates down or it's in a downtrend and breaks above this stop loss, so the stop loss is hit, and also you get a fresh entry. There's a change in trend, so you can see that happens today. So today the market gaps down and open. After a few minutes, or like after 10-15, you can see the swing high, yesterday's swing high of 2025 has been taken out, but it tests this trend line. So it consolidates after testing the trend line. So there's a fresh entry over here, but still this trend line is not broken out. So on this trend line also breaks out, you have an entry point like 2045 the entry. So you have a stop loss 1992, 1995, and targets will be 2091, 2130, and 2169. So breaks out. Again, there's a consolidation from 2060 to 2025. So there's a candlestick reversal. There's a fresh stop loss, fresh entry about 2045. There's a stop loss below 2020, and you know the targets are over here. So we have learned today on how to draw trend lines, and when you should enter the stock, where you should enter the stock, when you should book profits. You on a downtrend, there is no good entry point below this red dots. You have to just enter at closer to those greener dots. Same way on uptrend, you should not enter on breakouts of these green dots. You have to enter on candlestick reversals near these red dots. Uh, so I'll just summarize. Uh, Today we have learned to draw trend lines connecting the higher highs and lower lows. So just see there's a point of support and where you can book profits. These points you can book profits. And in a downtrend, we just need to find this area of value. So in this downtrend, the area of value is in this trend line where people keep selling, and you just want candlestick reversal closer to this point can be sold. You can also see there is a support, or you can see candlestick reversals happening at EMA 20, which can also be sold. So hope you enjoy the video. So in next coming videos, I'll be teaching you pitchfork, modified shift pitchfork, Fibonacci retracements. So using those how to trade and get a high probability trade using pitchfork. So thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll be back with another profitable trade.